put identifying the objects using one and ones. Okay, one and ones substitute the object depending if it's in singular or in plural. So the woman goes to La Sirena. She sees a purse. She's talking to the salesperson. And then she asks, how much is that purse? In that moment, the salesperson gets very, very confused because she's asking about a singular purse, one pairs. But the man see two purses. So again, he is very confused. He doesn't have an idea which purse is the woman referring to. So he asks one question to the woman, which purse? And then with this question, the woman needs to specify what is the purse she is talking about. So then she answers, the red purse. Then the man understands which is the purse that she is talking about. So then he proceeds to answer the first question. And then he says, it's $19.99. So let's go back again. And then we say, here's the woman. See two purses. He is the salesperson. She comes and says, how much is that purse? And then the salesperson gets confused, right? And then he asks, which purse? Then the woman answered, the red purse. It's $19.99. Okay? So at the beginning, he didn't understand, he didn't know because there were two pairs, and then you need to answer which pairs. Now, hold that. There is another form in which you can plan this. Now, one or ones substitute the objects. Now, instead of saying the red purse or which pairs, we can substitute the name of the object with one. For example, you can say which pairs, and it's correct, but you can also say which one. So one substitute pairs. Also, when you answer which one, she can say the red one. And we are talking about the pairs. One substitute pairs. Let's try that one more time. How much is that pairs? The man got confused. And then he asked, which one? And then the woman's answer, the red one. And then he answered, it's $19.99. What happens when you have several objects, such as these phones? Lexi, you got different cell phones or different pair of cell phones, but you want to know about the cell phones. And then you say, how much are those cell phones? But guess what? There are 1, 2, 3, 4 cell phones on the table. You want to know. So you can answer, if you're confused, which cell phones, and then you need to specify, for example, for the black cell phones. And then he answered the price. They're $2,500. There is another way. Yes, you can say which cell phones, and it's not a problem. But since you already know that we're talking about cell phones, so you don't have to repeat cell phone, cell phone, cell phone. You don't have to repeat how much are those cell phones? Which cell phones? The black cell phones. Like you don't have to keep repeating. You can substitute the name cell phone, right, with ones in this case because it's plural. So you can say which ones, and then you know we're talking about cell phones. When you say which ones, it's like which cell phones, but you already know and have the idea that we're talking about cell phones. And then here, the black ones. What is one? The cell phone. The woman sees the cell phones, 2 pairs of cell phone, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then she says, how much are these cell phones? The man gets confused. He doesn't know if she's referring to the black cell phones or to the white cell phones. Then he asks, which ones? Then she proceeds to specify which of the cell phones she wants to know about. And then she says, the black ones. So immediately, the man forget about the white and focus his attention in the black one because it's specified now. And then he proceeds to say the price. They are 2,500.